Adobe App 101, Adobe App for Windows 10. Adobe offers a variety of applications across different platforms, including desktop, mobile, and web. These applications serve various creative purposes, such as graphic design, photo editing, video production, web development, and more. Here's an overview of some of the main Adobe apps. Desktop applications. 1. Adobe Photoshop, industry standard software for image editing, compositing, and graphic design. 2. Adobe Illustrator, vector graphics editor for creating logos, icons, illustrations, and scalable graphics. 3. Adobe InDesign, page layout software for designing publications, posters, brochures, and digital magazines. 4. Adobe Premiere Pro, professional video editing software for editing, color grading, and post-production of video content. 5. Adobe After Effects, motion graphics and visual effects software for creating cinematic animations, titles, and composites. 6. Adobe Dreamweaver, web design and development software for creating responsive websites and web applications. 7. Adobe XD, UX/UI design and prototyping tool for designing websites, mobile apps, and interactive prototypes. 8. Adobe Acrobat Pro, PDF editing and document management software for creating, editing, and sharing PDF documents. 9. Adobe Lightroom, photo editing and organization software for photographers, offering advanced editing tools and raw processing. Mobile applications. 1. Adobe Photoshop Express, free mobile app for quick and easy photo editing and enhancement. 2. Adobe Lightroom Mobile, mobile app for editing and organizing photos on smartphones and tablets. 3. Adobe Spark Post, design app for creating social media graphics, posters, and invitations. 4. Adobe Fresco, drawing and painting app with natural media brushes for digital art creation on tablets and touch devices. 5. Adobe Premiere Rush, mobile video editing app for creating and sharing professional quality videos. 6. Adobe Acrobat Reader, mobile app for viewing, annotating, and signing PDF documents on the go. Web and online applications. 1. Adobe Creative Cloud, online platform for accessing Adobe's creative software, services, and assets. 2. Adobe Portfolio, website builder for showcasing creative work and creating professional portfolio websites. 3. Adobe Spark, online design and storytelling tool for creating social media graphics, web pages, and short videos. 4. Adobe Color, online color scheme generator and exploration tool for finding and creating color palettes. These are just a few examples of the many Adobe apps available across different platforms. Each app serves a specific creative purpose and can be used individually or in combination with other Adobe apps to achieve various creative tasks.